Hi, I'm Priyavashni, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In our previous video, we discussed the core components of augmented reality, such as the scene generator, tracking systems, and monitoring system display, and a game scene. So today we will move on to the one step further and explore how these components actually comes together inside the different AR devices. The hardware allows us to experience augmented reality in real life. So let's get started with the part 2, augmented reality devices. The first is AR devices overview. The augmented reality devices or the hardware platforms that deliver immersive AR experience to the users. So these devices combines sensors, processors, cameras and a display to merge digital content with the real world. The key types of AR devices are optical see-through, that is optical see-through head-mounted display, virtual retinal system, monitor-based system, projection display, video see-through systems. Each device has a unique way of presenting augmented information, whether through a headset, smartphones, projector, or camera-based system. So let's look at each of these in detail. The first is optical see-through HMD. HMD stands for head-mounted display. The first device type is an optical see-through head-mounted display, often called HMD. These are wearable headset with transparent lens that allows user to see both real world and then virtual object at the same time. Digital information is directly overlaid onto the real environment, kind of like seeing digital holograms floating in front of you. A perfect example is Microsoft HoloLens 2. It's widely used in industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and education. Let's talk a medical example. Imagine a surgeon performing an operation while wearing HoloLens 2. The headset display the patient's 3D organ model or vital data right in front of that the real surgeon eyes. So without needing to look to another mirror, the real power of AR in action. Okay, the advantages is provides a natural view of the real world, low latency, that is a very minimal delay between the movement and then visual update, highly immersive and then interactive. So optical see-through HMD make it possible to see reality enhanced with digital content seamlessly. Next is the virtual retinal system. Next we have the this is the futuristic AR device that projects image directly onto the retina. Next we have the virtual retinal system. This is the futuristic AR device that projects images directly onto the retina of the user's eyes using low power lasers or micro displays. In simple terms, instead of displaying image on a screen, it beams them straight onto your eye, so creating a very bright, high resolution and realistic visual experiences. A well-known example is Avgent Glyph headset. It uses this technology to deliver both AR and VR visuals in a compact device. So the benefits is a very compact and lightweight compared to the headsets, provides extremely sharp and detailed visuals, offers a wide field of view. However, there are some challenges too. It's expensive and technically complex to manufacture. So, but as a technology improves, these retinal projection system could become the future of lightweight AR experiences. Okay. So the next, now let's move to something more common, the monitor based system. These are the AR systems we use every day without even realizing it on our smartphones and tablets. Okay, here this device's camera captures the real world and screen display the virtual content over it. So a very simple and fun example is Snapchat filter or Instagram AR effects. where digital animations appears on your face in a real time. Another great example is a Pokemon Go, which allows players to see Pokemon characters appears in the real world their phone screens. The advantages is easily accessible and affordable. No special headsets required. Works on devices that most people already own. So the monitor based AR is one of the most widely used and beginner friendly forms of augmented reality today. The next is a projection display. These systems project virtual images directly onto the physical surfaces such as walls, tables or objects instead of using the headset or screen. So for example, the company Lightform creates a projectors that turn ordinary wall or store display into interactive digital canvases. Imagine walking into the real retail store where the products on display have dynamic moving visual projected on them. That's projection AR. Okay, the advantage is no need for wearable devices, perfect for collaborative experiences since multiple users can view the same projection. So great of exhibitions, presentations and retail advertising. So projection AR is all about making physical spaces come alive with the digital visuals. The seventh is video see-through system. And finally, let's discuss video see-through systems. In the setup, camera capture the real world and display it onto the screen with virtual object overlaid. This method gives a high control over bleeding virtual and real content, making it ideal for professional and design applications. So an excellent example is the Varjo XR. It combines video see-through technology with ultra-high resolution AR used in design studios, trainings and simulation environments. The benefits is perfect blending of real and virtual elements, suitable for professional grade visualization, highly immersive for industrial use. So video see-through systems are powerful through they require high processing power and advanced cameras. The conclusion, let's summarize what we learned today. So okay, we explored 5 main types of augmented reality devices. First is an optical see-through HMDs, that is in headsets like a HoloLens. Okay, the second is an virtual retinal system, that is in compact and high resolution devices like a agent glyph. The third is a monitor based system, smartphone based AR such as Snapchat and Pokemon Go. Fourth is in the projection display, interactive AR on walls and objects using the light form. The fifth is in video see-through system, professional devices like Varjo X or 3. Each device helps bridge the real and digital worlds in a unique way. So whether through your eyes, screens or projectors, augmented reality is rapidly transforming industries like gaming, education, healthcare, architect and design. From entertainment to professional applications, AR is redefined now. How human interact with the technology. So thank you for watching.